Hey everyone! In this quick Blender tutorial, I'll show you how to make an image reference always stay visible in front of your 3D meshes in Blender 5. This is super useful when you're modeling characters, props, or vehicles, and you don't want your reference image to disappear behind geometry. Let's fix that in just a few seconds. First, open Blender. Press Shift+A, go to Image, and choose Reference. Now select the image you want to use. Your reference image will appear in the scene, and you can move it with G, rotate with R, and scale with S to position it where you need it. Next, select the reference image. Then go to the Object Data Properties panel on the right side. It has a small image icon. In Blender 5, the visibility settings are controlled using depth and side options. Look for the depth setting. You'll see three options: default, front, and back. To keep the reference image visible in front of your 3D meshes, set depth to front. Now the image will always render on top of your geometry in the viewport, making it much easier to model while following your reference. Below that, you'll see another setting called Side with three options: both, front, and back. This controls which direction the reference image is visible from. Most of the time, you'll want to leave this set to both, so the reference image stays visible from either side while working. If the reference image feels too strong visually, you can also lower the opacity. Reducing the opacity makes it easier to see your mesh while still following the reference shape. You can also add multiple references for front, side, and top views. Just repeat the same steps and set depth to front for each image so they always stay visible while modeling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.